Hi, good afternoon. So, another day, another success story. Today, we receive a work permit of Miss Lisel. And hi, Miss Lisel. Can you
Hello.
share us your experience
Yeah.
in
Hello,
Trinity?
Merry Christmas, everyone. And I would like to thank you for giving me a chance work permit. I would like to thank Trinity Consultants, especially with Ma'am Rachel. Ma'am Rachel is, binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makapag-apply dito at tinuruan niya ako kung paano at mga information na kailangan at mga kailangan gawin or kailangan dalhin. Um, so much thankful.
Thank you.
Thank you.